Are you looking for the best benchtop drill press? Here we will break down the top 5 benchtop drill presses on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Dremel Drill Press Rotary Tool Workstation Stand with Wrench. It has a tool holder that can be adjusted to 90 degrees when you are doing tasks such as sanding, metal polishing, and metal grinding. The telescopic adjustment allows height adjustment between 16 and 29 inches. It also has a crown S that provides onboard storage for drill bits, wrench, and Dremel accessories that come with it. For the safe storage of cords and power cables, it has a cord management clip. The manufacturer has offered a full money return in case you are not happy with this item. Therefore, consider buying with confidence. At number 2. Win 42088 inches 5-speed drill press. This benchtop drill press has a half-inch key chuck and onboard key storage, so it is easy to control when needed. It has 5 different speeds, so you can choose the best one for your specific needs. This benchtop drill press is very precise and heavy-duty, making it suitable for various different chores. This benchtop drill press has a durable and powerful motor that provides great torque. The linear depths are easy to read and are locked to provide accurate and reliable drilling operations on various different materials. This benchtop drill press is made from durable cast iron and has a rigid frame. At number 3. Milescraft 1318 Drillmate Drill Guide with Chuck. This tool is a great jig to use with your cordless or corded power drill in order to drill straight holes into pieces of stock. It's one of those unusual tools that end up being quite handy. If you're a seasoned do-it-yourselfer, this drill guide can really help keep your bit straight, especially out in the field. Let's know what you need to drill out a hole for a doorknob assembly. Take out your power drill, attach the chuck to the Milescraft 1318, set in place, and use it. That's really all there is to worry about. The support rods keep your bit or hole saw straight, and you won't throw any tools because you drilled at a slight angle. The drill guide features settings for 45, 60, 75, and 90 degree angles, and it can even take on rounded stock up to 3 inches like metal or PVC pipe, using centering channels built into the base. There's an adjustable depth stop, and the head features spring action control. For jobs out in the field where you need to drill with any sort of accuracy, the Milescraft 1318 Drillmate Drill Guide will be incredibly handy to have with you. At number 4. Win 4214 12-inch Variable Speed Drill Press. The Win 12-inch Variable Speed Drill Press is ideal for the home handyman looking to improve the accuracy and precision of their work. The drill delivers equal torque throughout its entire speed range, which can be set anywhere between 580 and 3200 RPMs. For additional accuracy, a spindle travel of 318-inch with locking linear depth stops lets you repeat the same exact drilling operation as many times as you need to. The adjustable cast iron work table measures 9.5 by 912 inch, and a table roller extension adds up to 17 inches of support for the piece you're working on. Other features include a 5/8 inch key chuck, cast iron base, and beveling work table. At number 5. Skil 332001 3.2 M 10-inch drill press. Although the Skil 332001 drill press is an entry-level unit, it is functional and precise in the areas it needs to be. We agree with most consumers that this little machine provides excellent value for money. The laser guiding system works like a charm. This model is ideal for the home workshop. It is powered by a 3.2 amp motor with 5 different speed settings. This drill press has been the best-selling benchtop models for the past couple of years. This is due to the value for money that the Skil provides. The assembly process is quick and easy, allowing you to start working in no time at all. This unit is recommended for the home workshop, diggers and woodworkers.